Is that on your little light thing?
No, my bigger rod.
Oh, that's your bottom bash.
Just grab the leader and hold it on. Don't mess
No,
about with bloody landing nets and things like that.
That's a...
You got to have a photo of that.
Wait, recording.
That is just...
Recording,
I hope,
too.
is that red? Is there a red light on there?
I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there
there's
is.
a
Yeah, baby, look at that.
The biggest I've ever caught,
That's
eh?
a thick, meaty,
Now cut it through.
solid.
Oh, that's a delicious trout.
Got me.
Just let him tie, mate. Let him tie. He's not going anywhere.
I know. Not gonna walk.
Oh, he might have changed his mind, actually. Just stay there. Hold your ground. Hold your ground.
It's not a shark.
No, no. Yeah, well done, Eli. You listen to my rod. You listen to my Saragossa just wincing and just saying, yeah, baby.
Oh,
How about I just play cameraman, eh?
Dad, you want to take this?
No, you get it. No, no.
Oh,
You
sorry.
get it.
Sorry.
It's all right. Just do the best you can.
Hey, you choose.
And you know, how's that for luck? And I almost gave it to my
Watch
uncle,
this.
eh?
There'll be coral trout, I betcha.
Oh, we're going to make a good video of that.
Oh, yep, coral trout again.
Yeah, I thought it looked good.
Oh, they look
I
good.
thought it at
It's
the bottom.
decent.
It is. That's legal. No, it's not. It's a mangrove.
That's still a decent fish.
It's a jack. Look at that.
That's a personal best, you know.
That is stunning.
Can I see?
That is absolutely
Can I touch
stunning. Yeah.
I don't want it to turn around. Oh, he's
That is just a beast.
snap your arm off.
Oh, don't slap me in the face. Don't let him whip you in the face, Eli, because it'll tell you, it'll hurt. He's a male. He's a big boy one with big boy doodles.
I want to touch it.
Oh, I'm going to get slapped by a big snapping tail. That's what I don't want. Oh, I'm going to get slapped by that big long tail. Eli, I'll tell you, that'd feel like a big punch in the face, I reckon, if you end up with that.
Well, I'll do my best not to. End up with it.
He's got a little yellow...
No, that's a squid. That's the other bait.
No, it's not. It's a little fish. It's a black and white stripy fish hanging around
Oh,
his
that
Probably
face.
a baby remora.
No, he's not. He's yellow. See, there's two of them.
Oh, I see. Yeah, a little pilot fish.
All right. All right. Now I've got his tail. He's going to get cranky as.
Got it.
Now we need his head up. Oh, that's what I didn't want.
It was too strong. Hey, listen, he got off.
No, that's all right. Righto, Pete. Yep, nice size, good 40 centimetre. 45. You ready?
Just hooked up on a shark.
Well, I hooked up on a fusilier that's turned into a shark that's been hanging around marauding us, having dinner.
Hopefully this is the only shark.
Mixed reef.
Mixed reef. Let's call this one in for North Reef. Give him some mixed reef. You never know what you're going to get at mixed reef. It could be a cool trout.
It could be crap.
It could be a shark.
Yeah, big shark.
There he is. Whoa, he's big. He ain't no, he's no leopard shark. He'd be as big as a leopard shark, do you think?
I'd call it a bronzy personally, but
That's a bronzy.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, do you really want me to go bring this thing on
no, I
board?
think if we're going to do that, I don't want to let it go because we might as well move.